medical interpretation practice. Scenario, annual physical checkup. How to use this exercise. Listen to each speaker carefully and take notes. When the silence begins, start your interpretation. You will have up to 10 seconds to complete your rendition. If you need more time, pause the video. You can record yourself during this exercise. When you finish, play back your recording and check how accurate and fluent you were. Exercise begins now.
Hello, welcome to Health Center. What brings you in today?
Salom doktor, men yillik tibbiy ko'rikka keldim.
I see. Just the annual physical. Are you a patient here at our health center, or is this your first visit?
Yo'q, men bu yerga hech qachon oldin kelmaganman. Bu mening birinchi tashrifim.
Okay, first time here. Do you have any medical concerns today or any symptoms you'd like to discuss?
Yo'q, hech qanaqa shikoyatlarim yo'q.
All right. Have you had any surgeries in the past?
Yo'q doktor, men hech qachon operatsiya bo'lmaganman oldin.
And do you take any medications regularly?
Yo'q doktor, hech qanaqa dori-darmon ichmayman.
Have you traveled to any other countries recently?
Yo'q, yaqinda hech qanaqa sayohat qilmadim, xorijga chiqmadim.
Okay, good. And have you been vaccinated? Are your immunizations up to date?
Ha, barcha emlashlarim o'z vaqtida qilingan. Hamma vaksinalarim bor.
Perfect. Now let me get some basic information. How tall are you and how much do you weigh?
Bo'yim 1 metr 62 santimetr, lekin so'nggi marta o'zimni qachon torttirganimni eslolmayman.
No problem. We'll weigh you here. Let me also ask about your family history. Does anyone in your family have diabetes, high blood pressure, or heart disease?
Ha, otam va bobomda qandli diabet bo'lgan.
I see. That's important to know. Do you smoke or drink alcohol?
Yo'q, doktor. Man ichmaymanam, chekmaymanam.
That's fine. And do you exercise regularly?
Ha, har kuni ertalab yuraman.
Excellent. Walking is great exercise. And do you eat breakfast every morning?
Ha, har doim nonushta qilaman. Nonushta qilmasdan uydan chiqmayman.
Very good. Now, for your physical exam, I'm going to order some blood work. You'll need to come back tomorrow morning on an empty stomach. Nothing to eat or drink after midnight tonight.
Ertaga kelsam bo'ladimi? Laboratoriya soat nechida ochiladi?
The lab opens at 7 a.m. Try to come as early as possible.
Xo'p, unda ertalab birinchi bo'lib kelaman. Yarim tundan keyin hech narsa yemayman, to'g'rimi?
That's correct. Nothing after midnight. I'm also going to schedule you for a colonoscopy screening, since you're at the right age for that preventive test.
Aynan shu haqida aytmoqchi edim. Siz allaqachon mendan oldin bu narsani o'ylab qo'yganingizdan xursandman.
Great minds think alike. The front desk will schedule both appointments for you. The blood work tomorrow and the colonoscopy. You won't need to call separately.
Juda yaxshi. Demak, ular menga ikkala uchrashuv vaqtini belgilashadi. O'zim alohida qo'ng'iroq qilishim shart emas, to'g'rimi?
Correct. They'll take care of everything at the front desk.
Katta rahmat, doktor. Hammasi shumi?
Yes, that's everything for today. Take care and I'll see you after we get your lab results back.
Katta rahmat, doktor. Xayr, ko'rishguncha. Salomat bo'ling.